Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today is another grocery haul. This will sum up the month of October, and then we are going to be officially in the month of November, and it is so hard to believe.
And oh, how fast October has flown.
I know it. So we got 2 things of whole milk. I did get 1 thing of eggs, even though we're not really pressing for eggs, but I got them anyways.
Well, it never hurts to have an egg, does it?
I got some onions. I got some peppers because we have to have fajitas every week. It's just mandatory.
I love it. I said, you know, honey, I said, it would be a sin. I said,
not to have chicken fajitas.
a chicken
so sick
fajita
of them.
at least, you know,
I'm sick of them. I'm sick of them.
I love them.
But I'm going to fix them for him. We got some spinach because I'm going to be making my sausage, potato, and spinach soup.
I can't wait.
We got some apples because I'm going to make some candied apples.
Oh my gosh.
And then...
tell them what kind of apples you got.
Well, these, they didn't actually have the other. I forget what these are. But anyways.
Are they firm?
Yes, they're real nice ones. We got some potato puffs, which in America is...
Tots.
Tater totters.
We just call them tots.
I got some zucchini because my mother and father-in-law really loved, pardon the manicure, I need to fix that. But anyways, my mother and father-in-law loved my chicken soup. They ate it like 4 times. So I was like, I'm going to make some of that again. Ronnie don't care for it, but they love it, and I do too, so I'll be sharing it with them. I've got some Texas toast. This is the 5 cheese, because I'm going to be making some pasta. 2 boxes of breaded fish sticks. I don't know anybody who loves those fish
I'm
sticks.
telling you, they count Friendly Farms called them out of the pond.
I don't think it's, is it Friendly Farms?
I don't know.
It's
just
Fremont. It's called Fremont. He makes fun of the Friendly Farms thing, because we don't want anything from an unfriendly farm.
We love everything from Friendly Farms.
Second part. Here we go. We got... I'm cheating. I have to tell you guys, I'm cheating. I'm so sick of that popcorn popper, but I know my man is going to want some popcorn. So
you got me some popcorn?
I did.
Well, baby, I'll tell you what, cheating or no cheating.
Yeah, I'm cheating. I can't hold your hand.
The thought is what, I'll tell you what, don't forget.
Oh, I love you.
I'll kiss your head here.
Okay, kiss my head. We got some Clubhouse crackers. We got some minute rice because I used all of it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 things of hamburger meat right here. Thing of tortillas. Some sauerkraut. A thing of cottage cheese. Sour cream. I got some Karo syrup here. This is the light. I'm going to be making some candied apples, and that is...
Oh, I can't... I'll tell you.
You got to have that in there. So... I got some heavy whipping cream. That's for my soup. I got 3 things of the mushroom style. This is the Reggiano pasta sauce. I think about it, guys. My brain's fried. It's hot today.
It's
you know supposed to be fall. It's hot.
We're 80 degrees, and we're going to get up to 82 tomorrow. So
we got mozzarella. We've got some Mexican style cheese.
Oh, never can go wrong with that.
We got some chicken broth. Another thing of oyster crackers. You know, Ronnie don't know this, but he thinks I buy those for him, but they're really for me.
Well, you got cereal up there.
Cereal?
Yeah, you got a box of sugar pops to eat on.
Yeah, I do, but I need those on my soup.
Well, you're,
okay.
It might make it awful
sweet. This is something new that I thought Ronnie and I will try. But if you guys have been watching me, you guys know that I buy the little, sorry, there's a bug flying around me, like powder you put on your popcorn. This is caramel corn popcorn seasoning.
Oh.
And it looked really good, and I thought, you know what, we might give that a go. We'll try that once.
Never hurts, does it?
We got a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes.
We love them around here.
Yeah, I ordered 20 pounds last time, and I got about 4 pounds left. So if that lets you guys know how many potatoes we eat, then we go. Chocolate milk. Bad daughter-in-law I am. I just want to throw this in. This is my father-in-law's French vanilla, sugar-free. Called me this morning. Said I cannot go without my coffee creamer. I'm going to die. So I got him 2. And I got me this one, which is the peppermint bark.
Oh, yes.
I actually drank an entire one of these since my last Audi haul.
I'm going to help you with this one, though.
No, I'm not sharing with you. Okay, maybe a little. All right, I'm going to put this up and then we'll be for round 3.
Now, baby, I've seen a couple of these things. Could you tell me what these are?
Give these to me. Oh, gosh. Well, I lucked out because they sell essential oils online. So I got eucalyptus, and I know Ronnie probably would think this is weird, but I love this mixed with it, and it's the lemon. It is really, really good.
I bet it makes the place smell good.
It makes your stuff smell so clean and fresh, and I love that. So I hit the jackpot today with the sparkling water. And
what kind do we got, babe?
I'm hoping it's supposed to be watermelon. I think it's watermelon. It should be watermelon.
We'll find out, won't we?
Yeah. I got some chicken breast, boneless skinless chicken breast, half for fajitas, half for chicken soup. One thing of these jumbo franks. I'm going to make some pigs in a blanket. So those of you that requested to know how to make them, I'm going to show you. It's so simple. I feel ridiculous sharing, but I'm going to share with you guys anyway.
But you know what? When Ronnie eats them, he pulls them right out of the blanket.
Yeah, they're good. We got 2 things of bologna, because everybody loves bologna.
Yeah, that's what we call
We got some Italian sausage.
West Virginia steak.
We got 2 of those. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this is the cheese I bought. We got some medium cheddar slices. Let's see. I wonder who this is for. This is the chive and onion cream cheese.
Oh, yes.
Finally, last time they did not have this one, the pumpkin spice, but I got it. And I got another thing of chive and onion cream cheese because I know how much he loves it. A thing of canned biscuits, another thing of cottage cheese. I went ahead, I was almost out of vitamins, so really and truly, these were only $7. So I went ahead and got these from there. These are the adult gummies, multivites. So we're going to take those. Well, I'm going to take them. He has his own. I got a box of freezer bags. I got a package of sugar for baking, but I got to tell you guys, I'm not really a big fan on their sugar. I don't feel like it has any real sweet taste. You guys let me know down below if you guys agree. I don't think it's as good, but I'm going to use it anyways. So I got some ramen noodles. You guys remember when this whole coronavirus thing happened and nobody could get any ramen noodles? Well, guess what? They're back in the store. Everybody got tired of eating them, and now I can get them. And 6 rolls of paper towels. We were completely out of paper towels.
And
so
we can always use a paper towel.
Yeah, always. So that concludes my grocery haul.
And, honey?
Yes.
I'm so glad to be over here with you.
I'm glad that you're with me too, baby, because he wants to make sure I get the food that he ordered, that he wanted, right? So now it's time to go make lunch, right?
Yes, cheeseburgers today.
Cheeseburgers today. So I hope you guys had a wonderful time watching this video.
And remember, only get from friendly farms. We sure don't want nothing from unfriendly farms.
I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Oh,
baby.
gosh. Guys, don't unsubscribe from my channel because my husband's crazy. So, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Hit that like button if you like to see more of these hauls. I love the fact that Audi's, delivers. The last time and this time, I had great experience, had great shoppers, went very, very well. I'm very pleased. Thank the Lord.
So we're rating them very highly.
That's right. So now I'm going to put this stuff away. And I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye. Quickly, I forgot the bread. So I got 2 white breads. They're like 89 cents a loaf.
They smell fresh.
And I got 1 thing of sub rolls and a thing of hot dog buns. And that concludes the Audi haul.